now he's got wrist control on Tom, and he's going to set up for the C4 spike.
He set up for the C4 spike. C4 spike. No.
Tom fights it off. Lawlor, though, trips him up, but Alexander able to counter immediately and send him into the corner. Neither wrestler really been able to be one step ahead the whole match.
Oh, here we go. I've seen Josh done his.
Whoa!
Whoa! Float down. He's controlling the back.
Alexander reaches the ropes. Tom having none of it. Wrist clutch exploder.
Hit to perfection. Float over.
Only got the 2 count there, but Tom Lawlor knows he's got some tricks up his sleeve. He's got more heavy artillery to bust out to try to win this matchup. He knew it was going to be a fight.
You got here double locked in, reach through the legs.
Clutching the wrist again, but Josh Alexander, knowing he's in trouble.
Ooh, overhead club. Rolling, roaring elbow. Oh!
That knee strike should knock him out. But again, so much fortitude at Josh Alexander. A normal wrestler knocked out. Josh Alexander, not the case.
That was a version of a beat trigger, but one where you were holding the arms and just launched the knee right at the jaw. Straight jacket. What's Lawlor got in mind? Oh, roll through from Alexander.
It's the Yakuza. And now.
Sit down. Roll in. Reversal. Back in a straight jacket.
Straight jacket with a knee strike. Wow. Is that going to be enough here?